Hello guys, now I'm going to show you how to use FOIL method. FOIL method stands for first, outer, inner, and last. And this is how you do it. So we have this equation, we need to solve first the first term to the right first term, like this. X times 3x is equals to 3x squared, like this. And then x times negative 7 is equals to negative 7x. And now for the inner, 2 times 3x is equals to positive 6x. And positive 2 minus 7, times 7 is equals to negative 14. Now combine like terms. So the result will be 3x squared minus x minus 14. Now this is the final answer. And this is how you use FOIL method. Thank you guys for watching.